What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Today's video I've decided to dedicate to something on the surface seems simple, but if you don't do it right, it's going to cause not just only you but your whole team a huge headache, and it's going to waste a lot of time as well as money. And the thing I'm talking about is a game design document. So having a non-programming background, obviously I am unable to code my own games. I've had to rely on hiring developers and freelancers and artists to create the games for me. In the beginning, I literally did not know what a game design document was.
What?
I would just write a few lines of description to whoever the potential developer was, and needless to say, that was always a recipe for disaster because my expectations were never met, and that is mostly because I could not convey to the freelancer what I actually wanted, and all the finer details that would go into my game. So in this video, I'm going to discuss and give you 3 tips on the best way to handle a game design document, and this is going to save you not just a huge headache, you and your team members, but also it's going to save you money and time in the long run. So this is something that really saved me a lot of time, and since I started implementing these tips, the results I get back from my developers are a lot more polished and I'm a lot more happier. So tip number 1, you want to have a clear and comprehensive overview. This means you want to outline the core concept, also the gameplay mechanics and the overall vision of the game. You also want to have an understanding of what the game is about, obviously the genre of the game, the target audience, and any USPs, unique selling points in the game. And this is all to convey to whoever's involved in creating this game, like the developers and the stakeholders, anyone involved in the making of this game. They want to have a clear understanding of the whole concept. So tip number 2, you want to detail the game mechanics, and this is when you're going to go into a lot more details of how the game is actually going to work. Now you're going to cover obviously level design, you're going to cover scoring, the gameplay mechanics, all the things that kind of make your game tick, the game's core loop, which is very important. So to help with this, you also want to maybe use some diagrams. I mean, I'm not the best artist in the world, but I've got a whiteboard in the back there, and I kind of just sketch things out, some charts and flow charts and things like that. Very simple. That also helps the developer, whoever is going to be working on this project. It helps them a lot when they can actually see it visually. So yeah, that does definitely help a lot. So the third and final tip I have for you guys is documented art and sound direction. Now, game design documents usually focus a lot around the gameplay, but there also needs to be a section in there where you can convey to your artists and developers kind of the art direction and the sounds that you want to go with. That's going to kind of match the theme of your game. And the best way to do this, what I usually do, is I provide as many references as possible in terms of reference games, artwork, whatever you can muster. You just send to your developer so he can kind of see the picture that's in your mind and the direction that you want to go. So those are my 3 tips. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys found some value. Let me know in the comments below how you guys go about doing your game design documents. Obviously, I know there's people out there that do it completely differently, but let me know in your experience how that goes for you. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. If you did like this content, please smash the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.